Want to know how to check out your Shortwave labels in your mail? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can discover different kind of labels and add them in Shortwave. So let's get right into it. So labels are a different feature which can add to specify and separate your mails. Seeing them is super simple. So you can just simply open up your application or the website, and on the top right side you should be seeing this inbox with the drop down box right here. You need to just simply select that. Now here should be saying various options that you can choose from. So these are the basic ones that is available on the Gmail app itself. So you can just simply scroll down, and here you should be seeing labels right here. So here you should be seeing your built-in labels that are travel, social, purchase, newsletters, and much more. So you can just simply select any one of these. So if it matches, it should show like this right here. So you can also add a labels by selecting this plus icon right here, and then enter a label name that you can add, select save, and it should show accordingly regarding that same label. And that's it, super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.